So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to look for block level backup engine service. It's right down here. Block level backup engine service. You want to double click on it. And then you want to change your startup type to automatic and then click on start. And then you want to click on OK. Now once you've done that, now you want to click on the service one time and then click on R on your keyboard. We're going to find remote procedure call. This one right here, remote procedure call. Keep in mind that there are two of them, remote procedure call and remote procedure call locator. You do not want to do the locator one. Do not do this one. You want to do the first one, remote procedure call, RPC. Just do that one only. So now you want to double click on this one. Make sure that's on automatic. It should let you do it. And then click on start, which should then make it running. And then click on OK. And now we have another one which is just under it called RPC endpoint mapper. You want to double click on it and then do the same thing. Make sure that's on automatic and then click on start, which should then make it running, and then click on OK. And now we have another one. You want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. And now you want to look for Windows backup. Do the same thing. You want to double click on it and then change your startup tab to automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. If you got to this stage and it was already running and it was already on automatic, then you want to click on restart the service. This is if you already got to the stage and it was already like that. It was already on running and automatic. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on, or the drive where you want to make a backup from. So now once you find that drive, by the way, if you have multiple drives, you can repeat this for all of them if you want to. So once you find the drive, you want to right click on it and then click on Properties. And then you want to click on Tools. And then under Error Checking, you want to click on Check. And then click on Scan Drive. And now you want to let this load and then scan the drive for you. It's going to take a while, so I'm trying to get off this, but you can do it yourself. So you want to scan the whole drive. And then once you scan the whole drive, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.